Hi there. If you're experiencing issues while trying to copy and paste files from your PC or laptop to your VPS, this tutorials will help you understand the causes and provide solutions to fix the problem. Some common reasons that prevent you from copying and pasting files to your VPS include 1. Clipboard settings in remote desktop. The clipboard, which temporarily stores data when you copy or cut, might be disabled in your remote desktop protocol, RDP session. 2. Issues with remote desktop protocol, RDP. Sometimes the RDP application used to access the VPS may encounter problems, causing the copy-paste function to fail. 3. Network connection issues. An unstable internet connection can disrupt the file transfer process, including copy-paste functionality. And here are some solutions to address the copy-paste file issue from your PC laptop to your VPS. First, right-click anywhere on the taskbar, the blue bar at the bottom of your screen, and select Task Manager. In the Task Manager window, go to the Details tab, scroll down until you find the process named rdpclip.exe, and then click End Task. When prompted, confirm by clicking End Process. Next, restart the clipboard service by following these steps. In Task Manager, click File, then run New Task. In the open text box, type rdpclip.exe. Make sure to check the option, Create this task with administrative privileges. Click OK to restart the service. If successful, you should now be able to copy-paste files into your VPS. If the issue persists even after restarting the service, consider restarting your VPS. If the above steps don't resolve the issue, here are additional methods to try. 1. Use file transfer tools. Instead of relying on copy-paste, you can use tools like WinSCP or FileZilla to transfer files securely via protocols such as SFTP or FTP. 2. Check network stability. Ensure your internet connection is stable. A poor connection can interrupt file transfers. 3. Update remote desktop client. Make sure your RDP client is updated to the latest version. Outdated software may cause compatibility issues. 4. Reboot the VPS. Sometimes, a simple reboot of your VPS can resolve unexpected glitches, including copy-paste issues. And that's how easy it is to copy and paste files from your PC or laptop to your Forex VPS. Give it a try and enjoy a smoother workflow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need it too. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.